Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity for 2025 as well as 2026 graduate. So first important opportunity from Hyzen, they are hiring software development engineer intern, and this is the remote job and job location is Hyderabad. Okay, this is remote job. So but the company located in Hyderabad, and talking about the roles and responsibilities. So you will basically learn to architect the system and write scalable backend and front end, and these are the code where you can go through it. Now main thing requirement is that only those students are eligible who are currently pursuing or recently completed graduate, means 2025 as well as 2026 graduate from computer science engineering or related field are eligible only. And these are the important other tech skill that is required: proficient in JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, means any one language. If you are proficient, then you are good to go, you should apply. Basic knowledge or willingness to learn SQL, no SQL. Okay, and this is the compensation: 25,000 per month stipend plus PPO opportunity. Means after completing the internship, you will get the PPO opportunity depending upon your performance. And these are the benefits and all things. So I will suggest everyone must apply who are eligible. Next important from the PwC, they are hiring in associate software development digital integration advisory, Kolkata. So job location is Kolkata and end date for this job is 30 Jan. So don't miss this important opportunity. uh, Go through, you can go through all the complete detail, and educations are only bachelor degree are eligible, and they haven't mentioned specific branch. So everyone are eligible. If you have bachelor degree, then you should apply. And required skill, that is software development, and you can go through the all important things. Next important from the Rockbell Automations. So this is also a hybrid work and engineer in training. Okay. In date is Jan 19. So tomorrow is last date. So make sure to apply as soon as possible. And job description: engineer in training, EIT, and Noida is the work location. Okay. And these are the some things they have mentioned. So first year there will be a training, and after that you will be placed in the automation project engineering or automation field service. So this is an important job opportunity, you should apply. So 2025 batch specialization in electronics or electricals are eligible, and fresh graduate less than 12-month experience in the field are also eligible. Candidate must be available to join the organization within 16 days, that they have clearly mentioned. Okay, and for getting important job update, make sure to subscribe us. I regularly post lots of important job update related to Amazon hiring, American Express. So make sure to subscribe this so that you will not miss update. Coming to our next important opportunity, that is from the Red Blink. They are hiring one stack developer, and you can mail your resume to this one mail ID. Okay, and job location is hybrid Mohali. Okay. Next is important from the Zorian FinTech. They are hiring SD intern, and work mode is remote. So this is also remote jobs. So you can see a lots of remote jobs are there. So if you are interested, you can apply, and these are the requirement and responsibility. Okay, so perks and benefit: monthly stipend of rupees 40,000 and 14 LPA. Okay, that is a pre-placement of offer up to 14 LPA. So everyone should apply this, and this is a good company. Next important opportunity from the Tech Mahindra, they are hiring the associate, and these are the jobs and responsibilities. So this is the associate customer support and voice and chat support. So if you are interested only in voice and chat, then only you should apply, and all graduates are eligible for this important hiring. If you are interested, you can contact HR, and you can share your CV to this one or this mail ID. So hope informative to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here, and keep applying, friend. No one know from which job opportunity you will get a job. Okay, and if you have a cognizant interview on 20th of Jan, then must go through this video. I have clearly give you the important interview experience, and you can also apply for other important hiring. Hope informative to you. If you still any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you.